I'm working for Aleris. Aleris is a US-based company, and we have production facilities in North America, in Europe and in China. So we are really a global operating company. Our main activity is the production of rolled products, and then based on recycled scrap and then complemented with primary aluminum. And you will find our products in different applications, mainly in applications where the application is moving. It can be an airplane, it can be a car, it can be a ship, and so on. We are here in Belgium faced with a serious problem of the electricity supply. We are talking here in Duffel of installing several diesel engines to operate as a backup in case of a power failure. We are confronted with a substantial increase of the commodity price, an increase in the net costs, and we also have to finance a substantial contingency plan to minimize the risks in our company. For us, the demand side response program is a mean to offset part of that cost with some cost savings by operating this system. Indeed, we have signed two contracts. One is a contract which is called flexible power generation, and we have one contract that is called demand side management. The first is a contract where we use our diesel aggregates, and in fact these diesel aggregates can be commanded by ENGIE. They simply have to send us an SMS and directly to the equipment, and then the equipment can start immediately to produce electricity on command of GDF Suez. We talk here of a total power of 8 megawatts. The second contract is a contract demand side management. Is in fact a system that we have used already in the past. And that is a system where someone can simply send us a signal, and then based on that signal, the inductor furnaces in our cast house will be immediately shut off. And then we have a signal going to several machines in the rolling mill department, saying to the operator that they can finish what they are doing on that machine. But once the coil is being finished on that machine, they have to stop that installation. All that procedure is done in an automatic way, so that is the best assurance that the system will work when it needs to work. The system with demand side management, that is a system that we have used in the past, and there we know that it has always proven to be reliable. In defining the products, we were able to tune those products related to, let's say, our limitations we have using these things, but also the opportunities. And so we can specify and design a system that really maximizes the benefit of that system. I think that flexibility in defining the product, I think it's for us a big positive element. For me, this is an example how we can change the way we work together with a supplier. In the past, it was typically a supplier-customer relationship, but I believe that in periods like we are today, and especially in Belgium with a tight electricity supply situation, I believe there is value for both parties if we can work together by having this type of flexibility that we can offer to the supplier, being the diesel engines and also the inductors in our cast house, to really look for a good solution where both parties are winning. And I'm a believer of that type of development. I think it's the support, it's the tuning of the system, and the fact that you have a rather simple contract, but to the point, giving clear commitments and from both parties, which I liked.